So in our last video, we went over a little bit of race line for our first section of our course. So today, we'll head on over to trackside to pick up where we left off and go over that second section. So now we're here on the back straightaway. A big mistake that people make is they start driving really far outside here. So as they're coming, they'll swing it way out here. And what that's gonna do is just make the track that much longer for you and adds about a half a second to a full second. Instead, what you wanna do is as you come off that right-hand turn, you're gonna stay real close to these left-hand barriers here. And you just wanna kind of hug it all the way back till you get to the next hairpin. So as racers come along this back straightaway here, keeping it nice and tight, right about here is when you wanna start opening it up, so therefore you can get over to that first gate along with the braking zone. Now, just like the first section, we get a lot of people that keep it all the way tight, all the way to the turn, and they end up carrying too much speed and they lock it up and they spin out. So as you're coming out here, you wanna get way out here so you can get on the brakes in a straight line as you're going through the gate. And just as you start going through the gate, turn the cart and then let it kind of coast just a little bit. And then just as you're getting ready to hit the apex of this turn, get back in the throttle, go through the second gate, open up the steering just a little bit so you can get through this third and final gate, and you'll keep it nice and tight going all the way up to the next section. So now you guys know how to take the first two sections of our course. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that third and final section. Hope to see you guys out there.